Today, I want to continue focusing on the sounds of the Portuguese language. I'm going to start this episode by saying two sentences in Portuguese. Estas coisas são pesadas, as pessoas estão cansadas. One more time. This time you get to read while I say them. Estas coisas são pesadas, as pessoas estão cansadas. One thing I hear a lot from my students is how much sh sound seems to be present in the spoken Portuguese language. I usually joke saying that Portuguese is the whispering language with so many shushes. Did you hear this sound a lot when I pronounced the sentences? I am sure you did, because it's true. And even though this sound can come from the letter X or the combination CH, it is quite common to get it from the letter S, as you should notice in the sentences I said. If you enjoy my content, don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell to receive notifications. Also, feel free to check out my US Amazon store that is packed with all things Portugal related. I have recently added several Portuguese books to my list. Any purchase made through my affiliated link is a simple way to support my content. Bom, e agora vamos começar! The letter S can be pronounced in basically three ways, depending on the spelling and on the placement in the word. Let's start with the easiest part, when at the beginning of a word, the letter always sounds like S, as in sei, sinal, simples. The following letter needs to be a vowel or a diphthong, forming a syllable. This same sound can occur in the middle of words in two other occasions. When it's the first letter of a syllable, followed by a vowel or a diphthong, and the previous letter is a consonant. Here are some examples. Cansado, tensão. Next situation. When between two vowels, the word has two S's in its spelling, like in these words, passeio, passo. The Z sound appears when the letter S is between two vowels or diphthongs, as in caso, casa, pesado, caseiro. The sound sh can occur in the middle or at the end of words. In the middle, when it's the last letter of a syllable. Here are some examples. Pasta, estrela. At the end, when the letter S is the final one or when words are pluralized. As in cais, lápis, leis, batatas. Despite the written rules, remember that accents change throughout the country and some combinations might sound a little different depending on where in the country you may be. However, these are the standard sounds for the letter S. Another important thing to be aware is the way Portuguese people combine sounds when speaking, making it difficult to separate the words when you hear them. I have two videos all about this topic to help you understand Portuguese. Now let's take a look at as horas. When separated, we read them as as horas. When reading them together, remembering that the H is a silent letter, the Portuguese use the same logic described before of the S between two vowels. That's why it sounds like as horas. The same happens with the name United States of America. Estados Unidos da América. The combination of the final S in Estados and the first vowel in Unidos makes it sound like Estados Unidos da América. I'm sure everything makes more sense to you now when I repeat my initial 2 sentences. Estas coisas são pesadas, as pessoas estão cansadas. I hope you found this video helpful. Leave me a comment below. Boa semana!